In this tutorial, we'll see how to use DrakkarVFX to handle a simple VFX. I've prepared a scene with a particle system and a light. In our code, we'll use a variable of type DrakkarVFX that we'll call VFX. We'll initialize it in the start method. In update, we'll check for a key press to activate the VFX. We'll set the second parameter to true because we want our effect to restart from the beginning every time we press the key. We'll also call the update method, passing in the delta time to ensure our VFX is properly updated. We can attach our script to any object, even the same VFX1. We'll configure our effect by giving it a name, providing a root, a lifetime, and specifying the modules we're interested in. Let's start with particle and light. In the Effects submenu, we'll fill in the fields for particles and lights. For the latter, we'll set an intensity curve that peaks halfway through its lifetime. We'll go into play mode and verify everything is working as expected. Now we want to add a sound effect. We'll add the sound module and configure the effect by providing a sound object. To create one, we can go to Create, Drakkar, Audio, Sound Object. Assign it an audio clip and set the volume if needed. We'll add an audio config component to our object, give it at least one channel, and add it to the VFX audio configuration. Let's test our script and ensure the sound effect is also used by our VFX. For more information, please refer to the DrakkarVFX documentation.